Hi, I'm going to announce the winner for the green Knit Crate yarn giveaway. And if you'd like to be a member, you can sign up under me for $24.99 per month. Your first month you get 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20. And this is the website. You can give it as a gift, 3 months prepaid. Um, you get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet with patterns in it for that amount per month. Okay, so the winner, when I announce the winner, you need to contact me. My email is listed down below. Give me your information so I can send it out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating. I have crochet mugs on sale at Etsy. I have 2 Amazon books. This is all listed down below if anybody's interested. Um, I'm doing promotions or giveaways a few times a month, so look out for those. Um, Please be a subscriber so you can participate. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Billy Jackson. I had to use a new random picker because the other one I was using wasn't working anymore. This one says, "Hi Amy, thank you for the generosity and offering this giveaway. I'm working on baby blankets and cowls." Okay, congratulations, and please contact me as soon as possible. Thank you.